This is my next pain in the jigsaw puzzle. To tack weld these on, put the top on, and get them to line up. So far this looks straight. I don't know, maybe I'm blonde or something, but this one doesn't seem to be look like it's straight. And then when I measure up here, yeah, it's about basically has to be 10 inches across. I'm probably going to tack weld it so I can just kind of jerry rig it and mess around with it and then permanently weld it in place after. I don't know. I'm going to have to TIG weld this because my MIG welder is going to throw the whole thing off and throw sparks everywhere. But basically I need a few more of these because I'm going to probably line these up, line those up, put the top on, get it all lined up, and I don't know, I might TIG weld it, I might MIG weld it. I need more practice TIG welding, so I might do that. I can't do overhead TIG welding, so I probably will do this side. But I bought some brand new, what do you call it, magnets at Harbor Freight. I think I have another one around here somewhere. I should buy some more. My old red ones are getting kind of old and the magnets are getting crappy. These ones are actually pretty good. So anyway, I'm going to make a video of me trying to mock this all up and then weld it all together. This is just a sneak peek. It's a shoe rack, and these are the bars that hold the end of the rack on. There's going to be another two bars here and 2 bars there. I'm putting big bars on the top and the bottom, and I'm putting a smaller 1/8 inch rod or possibly square tubing. I don't know, but I might just make the whole thing over because these square rods for some reason are giving me trouble. I don't seem to have any straight ones. So I might just cut it all up and start over and use box tubing, since I seem to have a lot of box tubing laying around and I didn't even know it. So I'll see. Thanks for watching.